We will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. So you just keep going down here until you find here apps, click on it. You come to next step here and here you're looking for Photomath app, or just click on search. Then here at Photomath, it's going to show for you like this. You click on it here. You come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So when you click on clear cache, all you have to do next, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.